Welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is DaylesAddiction. Today I'm sharing with you one of my most influenced purchases of all time. And of course, as you saw on the thumbnail, it's a Fendi. In my recent Q&A, I was asked, is there anything on your wish list that's not from Fendi at the moment? And I'm like, no, there is not. Honestly, I'm overwhelmed with Fendi at the moment. I just filmed the story about my made-to-order designs. If you haven't seen that video, I'm wearing exactly the same. So I'll link it above and in the description box, but go and check it out because honestly, I feel like I want to change my name to Fendi. I really do. I just want to be part of the family. Anyway, I was going to share this unboxing at the end of that video, but that video is already too long, and so I thought I'd film a little quick one, a little quick unboxing for you. And truth be told, I came back from Melbourne yesterday. This bag was supposed to have been delivered before I went to Melbourne and I wanted to take it. However, DHL had some delays and so that didn't happen, which is fine. You know, there was flooding and all sorts of things happening, so my bag was not important in the scheme of things. But it was great to come home after designing a bag that I now have to wait 9 months for, maybe even longer, and be able to go and pick up a bag at the post that I had already organised. So I couldn't wait to unbox it. So I got home from Melbourne, I changed into my Brizzy clothes because it's a lot warmer here, and I unboxed this bag yesterday, and I'm going to throw to the clip of me doing the unboxing now. So, the bag that I have been most influenced to purchase, let's see if you can guess. The bag that I was influenced to purchase is owned by some of my favourite YouTuber, Instagrammer, fashion icons, including, but not limited to, and these are just the public personalities. These are not the people that privately I know have this bag. 408, California 408, Tanya has this bag. Amelia Rose has this bag. Caitlin Pulowski has this bag. Can you guess yet? I was able, well, I'll show you the bag and then I'll tell you the story about how I came to get it. I got the Fendi multicolour baguette. I got it. How exciting for me. I'm so excited I got this bag. So let's just have a quick look and then I can tell you the story. Alright, I've still got the sticker on because I wanted to save the removal of the sticker for you guys. The packaging on this bag was unbelievable, and you're probably like, where did you get that from? That bag is sold out everywhere. How do I even get this off? Hold on. Okay, ready? Wow, shiny. Oh, feel that. Yes. So it's a regular size baguette. It's in the tan. It has the tan and brown striped strap in the canvas. It's an uncoated canvas bag with the multicolored FF monogram, and it's all embroidered all embroidered on there. So it's just beautiful. Obviously there's a risk of popping a stitch, so you've got to be careful with this baby, but all bags you kind of have to be careful with anyway. So how did I get my hands on a sold out bag that technically I wasn't really looking for, because I'd already come to grips with the fact that it was sold out and I wasn't going to get it? About a month or so ago, Rod from the Lux Theory put a post on his stories looking for a Dior guitar strap. I wasn't following the Lux Theory at the time, but I'd heard some great stories about him because both Amelia and Caitlin sourced their baguettes through Rod. They're exact baguettes like this. And Connor sent me Rod's story and said, hey, are you still trying to sell your guitar strap? I'm like, yes, I am. So I contacted Rod. I sent through the photos. I had everything ready to go because it was the last piece from my vlog sale to sell. And we struck a deal on price. And I said, I know of you through Amelia and Caitlin. You made them very happy by sourcing that multicolour baguette. God, I'm glad it's sold out, because otherwise I'd be in trouble. And he said, well, I have actually got one coming from Hong Kong that I've sourced. And I was like, what? Is it allocated? And he said, no. And I said, what's the price? And he said, blah. And I said, okay, I'll take it. So from then on, we just had to wait for it to arrive from Hong Kong. I was like, I was supposed to be making money from this transaction, and now I've got to use that money that I made on the guitar strap to put a deposit on this bag. Not that I had to, but I just wanted to secure it, because it's always a good way to secure things. So why did I want this bag? Well, it's pretty obvious, isn't it? Like, if there's, to me, Fendi baguettes are fun bags. I don't have any boring Fendi baguettes. And if I'm going to go for a neutral, it's going to look like this. I have to admit, like, watching Caitlin's recent review of the bag and knowing that Caitlin is so into neutrals and classics now, the fact that she's just adoring this bag and it's really inspiring her wardrobe, that, you know, that just sealed the deal. I got so excited. I don't know really what to say. I'll throw in some mod shots of me wearing this bag. I'll get out of the way. I'll put them over here. But again, like with all regular baguettes, you can wear them a bunch of different ways. The only way I can't wear them is crossbody, because the straps just don't work on me crossbody. But and normally you can combine the straps together, but because they're two different materials, so the top handle is leather and this one is canvas, I don't think they look great together. I mean, I could always do it and see. Just a moment. So this is what I'm talking about. So it's not too bad. So you can do this with your baguettes, where you join the top handle and the strap together. But I wouldn't wear it like that. So in the mod shots you can see that I'm wearing it top handle, under the arm, as a clutch, on the shoulder, all of the looks. You've seen a baguette before. You've seen this baguette before. But now I have one. And yeah, I'm really, really happy that she's joined my Fendi collection. And just the perfect timing to come back from my made to order, where I'm unable to bring home a bag for 9 months, and to have this one waiting for me, and such an exciting one at that. Yeah, very, very lucky. Very good timing. It was meant to be. It was in the cards. It was in the stars. Whatever you choose to believe. I'm really happy. So thank you so much for joining me for this very brief unboxing / reveal of the Fendi multicolour baguette. Thanks very much to Rod. Thanks very much to Connor for hooking me up with Rod, which then led to the sale of my guitar strap, the purchase of this, and for all the inspiration, Amelia, Caitlin, Tanya, the list goes on. Thanks, guys. Bye.